guys, Darren from Venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluidart Express. Up first, you were seeing our very special guest this week, Tony from Tony's Fluidart. If you missed him, go check him out. He's absolutely awesome. There'll also be a link in the description. Click on the button, check him out. You'll love it, trust me. After me, we have Kristey from Creations by Kristey. Hopefully Shannon's on this week. Who knows, because she got absolutely hammered with that hurricane. After Shannon, we have Bubbles from Venomfluidart. And then last but not least, Tony and Kat from the Hippie Dipper Painting Man. So, stay on board and enjoy the ride. What I've decided to do is just have a little bit of fun, throw some colours down, and make it up as I go along. So, I'll put some tunes on, kick back, and enjoy.
I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the feeling that you know it. Yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the liar. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. I've been waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. See, I'm never gonna quit, got my legacy set in motion. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the liar. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. 'cause the bigger they are, the harder they fall. You build your fortress and I'll climb your walls. You got your armor, but I see your flaws. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the liar. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Bigger they are, the harder they fall.
So night falls, the darkness begins, creeping through the shadows within. Got nowhere to run or hide. It's in my blood, it's in my blood. I keep on fighting, I keep on running, I keep on searching for the light, for the light. Moving through the past and the lies, whispers in the smoke from the fire. Got nowhere to turn this time. It's all around, it's all around. I keep on fighting, I keep on running, I keep on searching for the light, for the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. Oh, I keep on fighting, I keep on running, I keep on searching for the light, for the light.
We've been hiding in the shadows, we've been biding our time. We've been running from the devil, just trying to make it out alive. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Feel it rising up within us, getting stronger now. no one left to avenge us, but we will never back down. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Like stars from the sky. Oh, can you hear us calling? Oh, this is a battle cry. This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. This means war. This means war. History calling you, calling me, written in stone upon tablets that fade away. We will remain. Oh, look what we've done. The wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all. I want it all. So long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying King, King, King. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one, written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Glory to come. Oh, look what we've done. The wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but we won't go down. I want it all. I want it all. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the. I know you've heard all the stories about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king.
Alrighty, we'll do a flyover of that one. Wow, that is so cool. The camera really doesn't show up what it looks like in person. There's just so much colour through that ribbon pour, it's crazy. Love it. Alright, up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So click on the name and the title of the video, it'll take you to her channel. If you're in the live chat, click on the link that I put in there. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, use the play all list that I put in there each and every week and it'll take you right through the express, one after another. You don't have to go hunting for links. That's the easy way. Alright guys, have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.